Good afternoon, everyone. We'll be working on our medicine cabinet today. Lots of bottles to go through and dates to check. Does y'all's look like this? If it does, this is the perfect time to get up and clean with me. So get ready to declutter and organize. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, Life on the Savage Farm. We're so glad to have you guys join us for this video today and be a part of our YouTube family. Your love and support means everything to us. I know, lots of stuff in here for a family of 5. However, everyone needs something different. This was also during the time when the people were getting out of hand due to the coronavirus. The folks clearing off the shelves like it wasn't going to be made anymore. So Chris and I had to load up on the what if items, spending more money on items we didn't need at the time. Y'all feel me. It was crazy during that time, but now it's slowly gotten back to normal. I'm curious, where's y'all's medicine cabinet? As you see, ours is in our kitchen next to our fridge because it can hold everything that we have in here. It's perfect. Perfect spot for us since we're always in this kitchen. However, Chris and I don't have medicine cabinets in our bathroom. As y'all seen in my other videos, we just have the whole mirror and definitely lack storage. Now, our kids have the medicine cabinet, which I was able to store their medicine in there. Over time, we're hoping to renovate quite a few areas for extra storage. All right, we're all cleared and cleaned. Let's get to decluttering and organizing this medicine cabinet. Got this basket from the dollar store. It was the perfect size too, you guys, so I got 3 of them to use in this organization, so I was able to load up all 3 sections so nicely. Here's another dollar store item. I got 2 of these guys to put over the baskets in the next 2 shelves here. Great part is that I only spent $5 total on this.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go.
All right, you guys, here is what the cabinet looks like. What do you think? It turned out better than I thought. How do y'all's look? I hope you got the motivation you needed from this. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of our YouTube family. We're glad to have you with us. We seriously are. Be sure to head over to my Instagram, Life on the Savage Farm, and follow us there too. Lots more stories and photos to share with you guys. Subscribe to our channel and please give this video a thumbs up before you leave. So I guess I will see you guys again right back here with a brand new video. Bye.
You go.